बोलिए, what is the issue?
So the High Court has ordered re-investigation against Minister Sajid Chalian.
Sorry?
Re-investigation against the unconstitutional remark.
The High Court has pronounced a judgment against Mr. Sajid Chalian
Okay.
to re-investigate the case against him. So what do you think about?
You want me to comment on the directions of the High Court?
No.
No, not possible.
Nothing.
Then what do you? I am not aware of the details of the case. I am not going to comment on the direction given by the Honorable High Court. So at the moment I won't say anything about it.
The government saying
You are here?
Yes.
Why?
Join AMI.
You have come to Kochi?
Yes.
You are not in Delhi? So first you came and now you have come. Okay. Yes. Yes. Huh.
the government has saying
Basically, it is not job of the police to acquit anybody. But I am not going to comment on it. Why? Because this is a direction which has been given by the Honorable High Court. It is not for me to comment on that.
the
And
government saying you need to resign immediately.
well, if suppose you give me a petition saying that he should not be in the cabinet, I will refer it to the government and will seek their views. But I have not received anything. Why I am supposed to comment on this? I am not. Not right for me actually, because this is a direction which has been given by Honorable High Court and I have no business to comment on it. Yes. It's not question. High Court is there to judge on the issues. I am not there to sit in judgment about the directions given by the Honorable High Court. Not right for me, not proper, not appropriate.
Sir, is it proper to be sit as a minister again after the government, the court has ordered a reinvestigation?
Well, it depends on one's own conscience. It's all. Eh? No, it all depends on you. Somebody could have asked me also in 1986. Nobody was asking me to resign. So it all depends on one's own thing. And what is stand, I am not really aware. Therefore, I do not want to get into this discussion. I am not aware what is the view of the government, what is the view of the minister concerned. We only know about the direction which has been given by the Honorable High Court. So it's okay, let us wait for some time.
As per the High Court order, again the minister has become an accused in this case. So at present he's one of the accused in that case. Do you think
If you send me a written petition, then I will certainly get it looked into. If you ask me about my own thing, then I need to study the whole thing, then only I can comment. I have not studied so far.
Sir, first he came down from the post of minister and then the police report came out. After that he
Come back.
Now the High Court.
So it is for the government to decide. For the government and for the individual minister, it is for them to take the call. But I can comment on it only after I have gone through the whole thing, which I have not gone through. Thank you very much. You are all very kind.
Okay.